Hello everyone. So today's agenda is how to import project in Eclipse IDE. There are three ways of importing the project in Eclipse IDE. 1. From left panel, just select import project option when there are no project available in the left panel. Second, click on file menu and select import option. Third, right-click on left panel and select the import option when there are projects available in the left panel. Now let's go and see in Eclipse. So here you can see that in Eclipse there are no project in the package explorer, and there is an option called import projects. Just click on it and you can see that this window opened, right? In that there are multiple options, but to import the project from existing workspace we have to go to general and then select the existing project into workspace option and click on next button. From select the root directory you can browse and select the project which you want to import. So let's take example, I want to import the demo project. Click on the demo project and just click on the select folder. Here you can see that the demo project with this path is selected. Now you just need to click on finish button and project will be imported. Here in the right bottom corner you were seeing that the project was building. Now click on this arrow to expand this project and see this project is successfully imported or not while executing this file. So just right click and select run as Java application. Here you can see that in console output project import is success. So this project is imported successfully. Now the second option is go to file, click on file, select this import option, and then again you need to select go to general and select the existing project into workspace, click on next button, and then this time we want to import the another project, then click on browse and go to the workspace and select the appropriate project which you want to import. So now we are importing the jobs board branch project. So click on that and then click on select folder. Here you can see that that project is selected and with the correct path. Now click on finish button. Here you can see that the project was building and this project is imported successfully. Click on this arrow and see this project is correctly imported or not. So again we will be running the app.java file to see it is successfully imported or not. So this time we will be using the direct run option from here. So just click on this run app.java run button. So here you can see that in the console it shows project is imported successfully. Okay. Now the third option is that here we need to just right click on the left panel and then select the import option. So before that let's delete one of the project demo and then we'll import it this one in third way. using third way. So delete this. Do not check this one, otherwise that workspace will be deleted too. Just click on OK. Again, right click here and then select the import. This is the one way. Again, you can go here on the project, right click, and you can see multiple options, and again you can select the import. You can go with any of the way. In both the way, the project will be imported successfully, and it will not import inside this project. It will import as a separate project. So let's select the import option and we'll see. Again, go to the general, select the existing project into workspace, click on next button, and then select the browse that project. Go to the workspace and select the demo and click on select folder. Here you can see that the demo project is selected successfully, and now we need to click on finish button. So here you can see that the demo project is imported successfully. Now expand this demo project while clicking on this arrow button, and again execute one of the app.java class to see the project is imported successfully or not. Again right click on this and run as Java application. So here you can see that project import is success. That means with all three ways we can import the project successfully without any problem. So this all for this video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.